Hi and welcome back. Today we will dig deeper on the charting window, and we want to know if the result from the pre-run simulation model using the intersect has some difference from the Eclipse case or not. So from a charting window I will activate or check on the case that already converted using the development strategy and also the converted one using the field management strategy. After I press OK, as you can see here, you can't differentiate between, or this is the observed data and this is simulated data. You can't differentiate between the three cases because they are overlapping one another. So this is some kinda of trusting the results of the intersect, which it's already well known and commercial used across the industry. So now uh, one of the advantage of the intersect is like a user-friendly keywords. What does this mean? If we just click on the case to convert, which is the Eclipse case, before we convert it to the intersect case, and just click on editor, and as you can see, this is the sections of the data file. So the old users for the simulation knows exactly what is meant by the data file. You have the keywords and you need to define each region with each keyword that's already related to this section. And the Petrel, when it first introduced, solved a lot of problems, but still some advanced option not implemented in Petrel, and you need to put it manually inside the keywords. So for example, if I want to visualize the properties section, and for example I want to visualize the BVTO, which is responsible for delivering the table for the BVT, and just right click and click edit, I will see here all the BVTs that already introduced in the model, but there is no column header, so you need to look for, if you aren't familiar with the keyword itself, you need to look for in the manual of the Eclipse, and you will find nice guidelines for what is this column matched for, what is its name, etc, etc, etc. But now we have advantage in intersect. Let me close this window, and just right click on any of the converted case, right click and then click viewer. You will not realize here that we have different structure from what we saw already. So if I clicked on this file with the extension IXF, and we will talk later because the intersect has a different structure from the Eclipse case and the results already. As you can see here, if I let me just maximize this, as you can see here, you have very English friendly for the users. So you can read here that the time step used in solution, the solver already is fully implicit, and also you can see here the simulation start date is start month. You can see here, recognize immediately that you have like 10 regions already or 11 regions in this model. You can read it without any hassle to back again to the manual, which is very huge advantage for the intersect. Also, if you can see here, you will have here a grid. I'm sorry, you will have here the column header, which I talked about previously. You don't need to back again to the manual. Also, one of the advantages of the intersect they claim, but I didn't realize till now because I don't have a big model to test on it. They claimed in one of their papers that they managed to reduce the time for running a huge model on a 64 core computer, reduce the time from 4 hours to just 20 minutes, and this rely on the Schlumberger claim. So now we touch bases on some of the very trivial advantage for the intersect. Intersect has more wide advantage over the Eclipse, and we will explore deep in the later videos. That's all for this video, and thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.